Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Publix list that we are expecting this Thursday for some, if that's the day that the ads start. Also, what you could do is you want to see the complete list or print anything that is needed. You could also visit me to my website, to excitedforcoupons.com, or I'm going to provide some of those links as well on the description box. In addition, some of these items, you could submit them to submit your receipt to a Stocking Spree, and they do qualify. So once you reach 50, you will get a $10 Publix gift card, which that is another good way to earn money back. Another way to earn money is if you use your Chase Freedom credit card. There's no annual fee, and this quarter they're giving back 5% cash back on any expenses using PayPal, Pay, and grocery shopping. So that's another way you could be earning points, and those points help you to make travel and save a lot of money. So let's just get started. The first deal is not only free, but it's a big money maker. What you could do is buy two for a BOGO for $5.65. Use only 2 coupons, as the limit is 2. So you'll pay $1.65, but then what you could do is submit your receipt to Ibotta and you get back $2.50 each. So that will make it $3.35 money maker. If you have Kellogg's coupons that are $1 that you don't need 850 points to get them, you could use it and it will make it even sweeter. If you don't have any peelies, then this is the best deal scenario. Buy 6, but you need to buy 2 of those that are the duo. So you will pay the total will be $12.87. We'll use 2 coupons from the Publix green flyer. And you'll pay $4.24, or it will be 72 cents each. If you do this deal, don't forget to submit your points to Kellogg's Rewards, so you could get more points and you'll be able to print some of those good coupons from their site. Another great deal will be the Mission Flour. It will be on BOGO, so whatever the price may be. So ours is $2.69. You can use 2 coupons if you have the one that deduct 1 off 1. So you can use 2 of those, and you pay $69. Your total will be $69 or just 35 cents. Another great deal is for Pop-Tarts. What you could do is buy 2, any kind of the Pop-Tarts. The other one has to be strawberry milkshake. You could use a printable coupon. You could find that on the Kellogg's website. And also you could submit one for the Publix green flyer, and you will pay $1.67 or 56 cents each. This you can also submit to Kellogg's, so you could earn more points and you could get some of those good printable coupons that are usually 850 points each. This is a great deal as well, but the price usually vary from store to store. One of the stores is for $1.69, and then you can use one of the coupons, deducting 55 cents when you buy 2, so you'll pay $1.14 or just 57 cents each box. This coupon, we keep saying the promotion, so finally it's a good time to see that there's a BOGO, and we can use those coupons that came on Smart Source 225, so you can use 2 of those. And you pay 99 cents for both items, or just 50 cents each bag. This item can be very expensive, but luckily it's on BOGO. But in addition, there is a coupon that we're expecting this Sunday. Hopefully I do get that coupon that is going to be deducting 1 of 2. And you could pay $3.29 or just 1.65 cents each. This is a great time to get these items and stock up on them. There is a coupon that is deducting 1 off 1. So what you could do is buy 2 since it's on BOGO. Use 2 of those coupons, so you'll pay $4.49. But don't forget to submit your receipt to Stocking Spree Rewards. The one that's going to be on special, as you can see, is pretty high up. It's $8.99. It's on BOGO. That makes it even sweet. But we have a coupon that is deducting $1.50 each. So that's a saving of $3 right there. So you'll pay $5.99 or just $2.99 cents each. This is a great deal as well. You could buy 2 Huggies for $8.99, depending on the price in your store, but this is just an example. If you buy 2, it's going to deduct $5, so that's a good deal right there. There's 2 printable coupons, so make sure that you do print them before they're no longer available. And also, you should find in your store, it's like a pamphlet that says Publix Bundle of Savings, and you can use 2 coupons that's going to deduct $2 each. And after all those coupons have been deducted, your total should be $4.98 or just $2.49 each. This is a very expensive coffee, and there is no coupons available for it, but at least it's going to be on BOGO, so that's a very good thing. So you'll pay $10.99, but if There is a checkout 51 as of now that you could use if your deal starts on Wednesday, or if on Thursday, discontinue on checkout 51. Then submit your receipt and you should get back $2 times 2, and your final price will be $6.99 or just $3.49 each. For the all detergent, it's going to be on BOGO. Make sure that if you're going to use this coupon, get the one that says single dose. So you could use that coupon just once because the limit is one. So you'll pay in the register $3.99. But then you can submit it to Savings Star because there is an offer there for the single dose, and you get back $2, making this just 99 cents each. This is another item that's very expensive, but it's good that it's going to be on BOGO, so you're saving money right there. But there's also a coupon deducting one off one, so you could use 2 of those. And in the register, you pay $7.69, but you could submit your receipt to Savings Star that you will get back $1 for the olive oil, so your total will be $6.69 or $3.35. Just make sure that you do have this offer on your Savings Star before making this purchase. The next item is the Food Network dressing, and there's different items, flavors that you could choose from. It's going to be on BOGO. There is no coupons for it, but you could submit your receipt to Ibotta, and it's going to give you $1 back for each item. Once you submit it, this will be a final price of $1.49 or just 75 cents each item. As you can see, we have so many good deals. A lot of them do have cashback offers, so do make sure that your apps have those same items included. Don't forget to select them. Don't forget to also submit your receipt so you could be able to save even more and gain those points. So if you have any questions, you could write them in the comment section or check out my site, which I include all those informations as well. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.